and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be unboxing a face mask subscription box. I am so excited to be sharing this with you. It was very kindly gifted to me from the people over at Mask Time. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more of these in the future. And let's get into this face mask unboxing video. So the people over at Mask Time very kindly gifted me one of their subscription boxes. This is the Glow Starter subscription box. This retails for £9.95. This is what it looks like on the website. And you put in all your details and it sends you can do it monthly or you can cancel it, you can have it as a one-off, you can set it up so it's rolling, you can have a 12-month contract. The longer term that you do it, the cheaper the box is. So like I said, this retails for just under £10 a month and it's free shipping for the UK. They also ship worldwide. So this box is perfect for anybody who's kind of new to KBeauty. It's kind of KBeauty inspired. Each month you'd be sent 4 different sheet face masks. Let's see what's inside this month's. This is actually from May, so it's a little bit late that I've been filming this video, but I'm excited to show you, just so you kind of get a sneak peek of what kind of stuff is in their boxes. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and it has this, like, wrapping paper is sparkly. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to tell on camera. It actually matches my nails really nicely. And then when you open it up, what it looks like, so you get the little kind of details on how to put on the mask and like tips and tricks, and then every month you get the menu, and the menu tells you about all the different face masks, the retail price of them as well. So each one of the face masks in this month, which was May's month, retailed at £4 each. So obviously you're paying £10, just under £10 for this. So the first face mask is the Duft and Doft Pink Milk Mask. Like I said, this retails for £4, and it says your skin will love the pearl because it brightens dull looking skin and provides anti-aging benefits, and the milk inside it has lactic acid which helps to reduce dark spots, hydrates the skin and helps to heal acne as well. So it says it provides brightening, anti-wrinkle and tone-up features for a dewy and shiny complexion. All of May's are the Duft and Doft brand. So this is the Duft and Doft Hydra Soother Deep Hydration Mask, which just looks like this. So in this face mask, your skin will love the aloe vera because it provides a protective layer on the skin's surface, rich in minerals and antioxidants, and it nourishes the skin whilst soothing any kind of irritated skin, so it'll probably be perfect for holiday. And then last but certainly not least, it has hyaluronic acid in it, which helps to alleviate dry skin and keeps the water content in the skin layers whilst reducing the signs of aging. So that's that one. Once again, retails at £4. The next one is a red one. This is the Salmon V Gene Hydro Active Mask. So this includes omega-3, which helps to protect the skin from UVA and UVB rays, and it helps to prevent the breakdown of collagen and elastin. And it also has collagen in it, which helps to promote vibrant glowing skin, and it helps to restore any lost collagen fibres as well. So that's the red one. And then last but not least, we have a white one. This is the Black Therapy Customized Refining Mask. So this has lotus flower in it, which helps to control oily skin whilst hydration and improving elasticity. It has camu, which is a fruit that is packed with nutrients and vitamins and amino acids, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties in it and is a powerful antioxidant as well. So that is all of the masks that are included in the May's one. Obviously I know I'm doing this a little bit late, but that is all of them. I absolutely can't wait to try these. I've not got any Korean skincare masks or anything, so please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do like individual little mini kind of reviews on these. I might start doing Face Mask Friday because I love watching Amber's Face Masks Fridays. If you don't know Amber How on YouTube, then please go ahead to her channel and check it out and subscribe. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in my next one. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time. I'll hopefully see you there. Goodbye.